Alright, let's go. It's free for all. The boys gone naked. I'm still on a 2-bar, man. There's no UK lobbies at all. Seriously, not one. There has to be one. What the fuck? He must have seen me go in there. Fair enough. That's what you get for trying to camp and sound tool someone, I guess. I'm not going to be able to win. Alright, I'm on a 3-bar. I thought I could just about get around the corner before he shot me. Thankfully missed his first shot though. That was very kind of him. Very, very kind of thoughtful. Forgot how quiet this game is. Oh. Found which. I wish I had dead silence. There's someone here. That guy's camping with claymores, so I got him though. Don't worry, guys. Alright, there is a UAV and an airstrike. Let's put that up top. Let's sit in here for a second so I don't die. Let me get this chopper, man. Let me get this chopper. I need to win. I need to get a victory. Okay, I've got nothing from that. Damn it! Brazilian Fox is seen up here and he killed him. There he is. I have no ammo. But I'm only one off the chopper. There we go. Yeah, let me steal this. I need to stop to quickscope sensitivity. Give me a second. There's someone here. That's what I'm talking about right there. The quickscope. Where are you boys at? Where are you boys at? What? What the fuck? Oh! A no scope. There's no way that was a miss. I refuse to believe it, guys. I refuse to believe it. That's gotta be a joke. It's got Juggernaut on anyway. I don't care if I die because it's fine. Because I've got the chopper now. I think 4 is my sensitivity. Honest. Where are my bullets? Seriously, I remember this game being good on a bad connection. I had a bad connection when I used to play this game loads. Where were my bullets then? There's no way I'll miss that many bullets. I refuse to believe it. I'll challenge that. I'm a mental case. Does this guy have a radar? That's the question. I don't think he does. I laughed at him, but I feel bad now because I actually don't think he does have a radar. But give me one kill, chopper. No, see, look. There is not a chance none of those bullets hit him. I'm playing that back. Because it's bullshit. That was one off the chopper right there. Mind you, this chopper's done nothing, so... doesn't matter too much, I guess. Right, I've killed the claymore camper. Someone else has got a chopper. I've got a UAV though, so I'm okay. I'm safe. Alright, they've got a chopper. Watch their chopper go ham sandwich. Let me call this airstrike in quickly. I need to be careful here. I knew someone would spawn there. It's okay, I only need 2 more kills and I'm pretty much guaranteed victory. It's fine. I am not worried. Right, there's one. Anyone else around here? Okay, Brazilian Fox, just outgunned me. I just wanted the game over with, but apparently you don't. So I'm gonna go for the wallbang. Didn't work out. It's bullshit. It's so bullshit. Just where are my bullets? Where did they go? If anyone has seen my bullets, please return them to me. I have joined a 4-bar game for the first time since 2007. I'm going to use my M60 class. I'm trying to use different weapons, you know. And this counts as a different weapon. I knew he'd noob tube me again. I knew he'd noob tube me again, so I had to rush forward. That's why I did that. If you were thinking it was stupid of me to rush forward on no health, that was the reason. Am I supposed to be able to see anything after I've shot 1 bullet? Or is it just like spray and pray? I think it's just spray and pray. I've lobbed this stun down there. I don't know if it's going to affect anyone. There you go, team. I got him. No, I didn't get everyone. There's a UAV. Don't do me 1200 me. I jumped over his fire or something. Alright, we actually got an airstrike from that. Sick. We're just about winning. Oh, that's a teammate. Okay. Let me jump across here. I knew someone would come in there. I still can't kill him because my gun recoils to the side. Don't tell me that's Frenzy's helicopter. Don't tell me I've just gifted that guy a helicopter. I'll be distraught myself if I've just gifted them a helicopter. I think I have, you know. I stunned him, but my gun recoiled to the side straight away. And I thought it would correct itself, but okay, that's a wall. I was taking the kill, but I don't care, because I stunned him, so it was a team effort anyway. This is far too close. Don't kill me. Okay, we'll murder that guy. We're going to flee the scene a little bit because there's a chopper overhead. I think it's going anyway. Teammate, where on earth are you looking? Can you even shoot through this? I don't even know if you can. Go, come around here. No one's gonna come around here. I'm gonna wait here for a second and then surprise them. You see? Oh, someone flanked me. I need to get a better angle. Oh my goodness, the nade worked. Watch that kill cam, it's the greatest nade ever. These guys are all using M16s and stuff, and I'm struggling. I am struggling. I can't see you. The muzzle flash is too much for me. The amount of assists that I get, because I can hit the first shot, but after that, it's game over. I don't know where my shots are. Did I just get jump drop shotted by an M16? With dead silence on? Is that a joke? Mind you, I was head glitching with an LMG. But this is more difficult than it looks, okay? It's more difficult than it looks. There we go. I've got a kill on my own. I knew I would eventually. Whoa! What the fuck? No, I don't want that. I haven't got red dot on. I'm helping you, teammates. I'm throwing the nades. I'm just gonna try shooting the car. There we go. It's easier target. Oh, I thought I was gonna get the bounce. See, that's some bullshit. Stop jumping into me, teammate, and shoot the enemy. I was being shot at, my teammate was just jumping in me. This is so close. I don't know who I'm shooting. It seems to be working though. I need to duck. I don't want to die to that guy. Teammate, win that gunfight. Oh my goodness. We've won. We won. 19 and 9. 19 and 9. I do not like that weapon. You're not very mobile. The recoil is strange. You can't see anything once you've shot one bullet. But it did the job. 19 and 9 is not too bad. We win the game. I'll take it. I sort of have the exact same class twice over. One's got a red dot and an M19, and I'm going to take that one. You only get 5 classes, and I have spent 2 of them on the same thing. I'm a fool. Oh, sweet Jesus. I messed that up. My bad. I could have had a no skill multi-kill. In fact, a high skill multi-kill. Oh, there's like 12 people. Look at that, another double nade. I don't know who I'm shooting, but it seems to be working. Alright, I have 9 kills and it's not even been a minute. Alright, I did the little glitch you can do if you hold down the trigger and double tap Y, you can shoot far quicker. But there was no one there. It's so hard to aim that too, because to double tap Y you usually need your thumb. And it sort of never works. It's tricky to make it work, honestly.
Our UAV is online. UAV recon standing by. Enemy UAV is airborne.
Enemy UAV is airborne. Which means that guy knows I was coming. Well, he knew I was coming even. That was 2 sentences formed together.
UAV is online.
I knew he'd come if because they had the radar and he thought I was running off. I knew he'd come down there. Just turn around, sprinted them. Job's a good one. Is that guy hard scoping me or something? No.
Airstrike standing by.
Run out of ammo.
Our UAV is online. Helicopter support standing by.
No! There's too many. Where's my team at? Alright. Stun that just in case. There's someone coming through there, so I stunned that. They're in there somewhere. Help me out here, chopper. Oh, sweet Jesus, teammate. I know zooming in with this particular weapon makes it worse, but if you can sort of quick scope with it and shoot before it goes fully zoomed in, it closes the crosshairs, but I never quite do it. There you go. Out shotgunned. I am carrying this team. Yo, can you motherfuckers die? We're only 5 kills ahead. This is stupid. I don't think my chopper got a kill. Mind you, it is vacant. Oh, come on. You're supposed to bounce and go through. What are you... There we go. That'll do. There's someone here too. In fact, I think there's a few people. I was right. There was 2 of them. We've lost the lead apparently. Oh, if only that guy came through first. Right, we're 2 kills ahead, and I'm positive 19. My teammates, I guess you could say they're pretty bad. There's just nades everywhere. We've actually lost the lead. I don't have a positive teammate. They're all negative. No, my nade didn't go through. No. That wasn't meant to happen. I was supposed to strafe to the right. I've just stunned their entire squad. Go on, guys. Get those assists for me. I got 2. That was a god nade. I wasn't going to say anything, but I was impressing myself. Look at that. If we don't win this game... If we don't win this game... Okay, it lagged and I've stunned myself. We're down by 6. We're not going to win this. I'm pretty sure they have a UAV. This is pointless of me to flank, but... Are they even going to turn around?
UAV recon standing by. Enemy UAV is airborne.
There we go. I'll take the UAV. We can do this, team. Oh, we're 5 kills behind. No, we can't. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Negative, 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 negative. 5 out of 5. Every single last one of them. I only went positive 21. Don't worry about it. Don't worry yourselves. Cheers, team.